Hi guys, welcome to Easy Peasy Gardening. I'm your gardener friend Ruchi, and today we are going to talk about propagating the oleander shrubs. So, oleander shrub, as you may know, they grow outside and they are great for hedges. So these come in multiple colors, in white, pink, maroon, and they look really beautiful. And they have a faint fragrance also. When you pass by, you can feel that, it's very fragrant. So, when they grow pretty vigorously, and you have a big shrub and you have to keep pruning it. But if you wanted to make a whole hedge, you have to buy like 10 plants and it can be really expensive. So why not propagate it from your existing plants, or borrow a cutting from a friend or a neighbor? So there are three ways of propagating. One is from seeds, but then it takes a long time. Second is from cutting, which is great because you within 8 to 10 weeks you get a small plant like 6 to 8 inches tall. And the third is air layering, through which you can get a really big plant in probably 3 months. So today I'm going to show you how to propagate it from the cuttings. You don't want a woody trunk like this or a branch like this. You want a softer branch like this. It is a green soft branch. So I'm going to cut a branch which doesn't have flowers, like this one. This one doesn't have a flower. So I have cleaned my shear with rubbing alcohol, household alcohol, so that you don't get any infections in this cutting. And you see these nodes. These are the nodes from where the leaves grow, and potentially roots can grow from these. So you cut slanted just below a node like this. Then I can take this cutting. It doesn't have flower because when you are putting the cutting, so here just below the node, so I think 2 is enough for now. So let's go to our workstation and then we'll do the rest of the work. So the first thing is that you remove all the leaves from the bottom portion, because when cuttings are in water waiting to be rooted, you don't want them to, they consume energy, and you don't want them to you don't want too many leaves to be there, because then the stem will be trying to just support the leaves and it will not be making roots. So you want to prepare them, just make them bare like this. Sometimes I just snap the leaves like this, but when I feel that these are too soft, they'll not come out clean, then I clip them. So now both the stems are ready. So now I'll just take some water in the jar and just put them in water. So just make sure that at least a couple of nodes are immersed in water, because that's where the roots will grow. So just put them in water like this. Too much of water. So like this. And just keep it inside your home, where on a windowsill where it gets a lot of indirect light, and probably in 2 weeks it should grow roots. So I have already done this, and I had done this about 2 weeks ago, and look at these. So this one didn't grow any root. This one has really nice roots. This one also has nice roots. This one is just starting to root, and this one again doesn't have roots. So these two are definitely going back inside, because they don't have roots. And I feel that even this is pretty small, so I'm going to just leave it here for some more time so that more roots will grow. But these are definitely ready to be rooted, because once the roots grow very long, it is very difficult for them to get accustomed to a new medium. So I've taken a planter and I put a good potting soil mix in this. I'm just going to put them inside. Just make sure that all the roots they go inside. Just compact the soil a little bit and make it stand properly. And I'll put this one also there. And as more stems grow roots, I'm going to put all of them in this one. And that's it. I'll just water it a little bit. And for a week or so, I'll put it inside my house so that, you know, they get indirect sunlight and they stay in humid conditions, warm and humid conditions. And once I feel that, you know, they are okay and they are settled down, they are not drooping or anything like that, then I'll slowly move them out in partial sun and then in full sun. And hopefully they'll grow nicely and make a nice oleander shrub. So for now, that's about it. I hope you like this video. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you next time. Happy gardening. Bye.